Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to back up your YouTube videos to an external hard drive with a capacity of 5 terabyte. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to the Seagate Backup Plus hard drive, navigate to the folder you wish to save your videos in. I see the computer science videos folder on screen. So this is the main folder that has all the backups in there. So we can now click on computer science videos. Let's just click on this folder. Now we have all the backups. Let's now open up a new Finder window. Move this to a new desktop. Navigate to the folder we always work within, my YouTube channel, computer science videos. I see 18 videos here that require to be backed up. So 1001, let's just copy all the videos, highlight, right click, copy 18 items. Now let's go to the main hard drive folder that is located within computer science videos and then the backup. Now we can right click or we can Command V to paste, and now we can see all the videos are being copied and pasted backed up to this folder that has all my YouTube video catalog. As of now, the videos have now been copied and backed up to the external hard drive. We can now go to the folder we always work within and delete all these videos. Highlight, Command, Delete. We now no longer require the videos as they are backed up to the external hard drive. Empty, recycle bin. That's gone. Another thing we need to back up is the files that have the thumbnails in them. So YouTube videos. Let's now go back to the external hard drive. Go towards the end, the YouTube video folder. Let's now wait for this to load. (1001). We can delete the first one that we see on the bottom of the list as we already have it within the external hard drive folder. However, we can now copy everything else. Right click, copy 18 items, go back to computer science videos, external hard drive folder, Command V to paste. Quit Finder again, and so now all the files we wish to copy have been copied to the external hard drive. We can now right click on the hard drive itself, eject the hard drive, and so that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.